listen, it only makes sense to have carrots at your Easter dinner. It would be wrong not to, right? It would be wrong not to, right? So today we're presenting 3 different ways to dress them up and take them from side to star. KSL Lifestyle contributor Maddy Tolman is going to share her recipes. Good to see you, sister.
Good to see you too.
So you and I have a mutual foodie friend, and last year about this time, she taught me a recipe, or shared a recipe that had like orange juice with the carrots. And anyway, I say this because I suddenly was like, carrots can be someone.
Right.
Carrots
more than ranch.
Carrots, yes, more than ranch.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes.
And you're gonna prove that with these 3 recipes
Absolutely.
today.
We're making a stand for carrots. Usually they kind of get like forgotten, especially when I'm cooking dinner. We just serve them with ranch, or we steam them or roast them, something simple, but they can be so much fancier if we just put in like a little bit of effort.
I was not even hungry until I stepped into the studio and saw these beautiful dishes. So what one should we start with?
Let's start with smashed Parmesan carrots.
Okay.
Those are one of my favorites. So we've got here some pre-steamed carrots, and there's a microwave shortcut here. So we've got some plastic wrap on top. They're steamed in the microwave. You throw them in there for 5 minutes with that plastic wrap on top.
Water, any water?
2 tablespoons of water.
Okay.
And then they come out like perfectly like ready to smash, because we don't want them like those raw carrots. They're not smashable when they're raw. So we've got our
Maddy,
steamed carrots. Yes, please.
Look.
Please. Oh my gosh. Look
Is this
at you.
bad? Is this bad?
No, this is
okay.
great.
All right, all right.
Okay, then once we've got those there, we are gonna take some sort of glass bottom here. And we are going to smash them.
We're literally gonna smash the carrots.
Smush them down until they're like
you're having a bad day, you're kind of annoyed at the Easter bunny. Oh, but not all the way. Am I getting too aggressive?
I would say a little.
I'm really mad at Easter
We're going
bunny.
for like,
I'm sorry.
don't want to see the sheet pan underneath, so we can still taste like
just a little mush.
Yes, just a little mush.
Less of a smash, more of a mush.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. Okay. So once we've got them all smashed, we're gonna top them with some Parmesan and be super generous. Then we're gonna pop it in the oven at 425 until they get nice and crispy.
And they look like this.
And they look like that.
Come on, can I?
Delicious, crispy, yes. And you can dip them in like anything you want. Ranch. I'm not gonna. They're delicious,
I'm eating more cheese than carrot, but I'm
Which is how we want it. Which is how we want it. Okay, then next we are going for some carrot fries. So we've got our thinly sliced carrots here. You want them like French fry thickness. Okay. So like the thick, or you don't want them too thick, or else they will like steam and be mushy instead of crispy carrots. So we've got our carrots here. We're gonna add in some cornstarch. Okay. And then our onion powder and our garlic powder. This is before you cook them at all. They're just raw, and Italian seasoning.
I'm going for more Parmesan.
Toss them. We're gonna throw a little bit of olive oil in there as well. And once the olive oil gets in there, they're gonna kind of be like battered. And so it gives you that crispy coating for your carrots. Toss them up real good. Throw them on your sheet pan. The trick is to get them crispy, you don't want your carrots to touch. They are,
They play alone.
They play alone. That's what I'm looking for. So super spread out on the sheet pan. If they are too close together, they're not gonna get crispy. They're gonna more steam and be mushy instead.
Is this what they come out looking like?
They come out looking like...
So they shrink.
Yes, they do. They're kind of like sweet potato fries almost. Like, and then I love to serve them with a garlic aioli, pesto aioli dipping sauce. Okay. Delicious.
30 seconds. Talk us through this last one.
If you love a roasted carrot, go for a roasted rainbow carrot. They're so easy. Same recipe. You're just gonna take your favorite way to steam or roast and just swap them out for rainbow carrots. I found at Target. Beautiful. Is the best place to get them.
Beautiful to look at, delicious to eat. I'm dying. What did we call these? Parmesan?
Parmesan smashed carrots.
Dying over those. Revolution.
Thank you.
Maddy, thank you. Recipes for us on the website. Carrot just became the star of your Easter show, so head there if you want more. Thanks so much. Great job.
Thank you.
Great job.